Good afternoon, everyone. And first, I want to give some instructions about the chapter 1. Chapter 1 you have completed. One question was remaining. That I given you in first video. Okay, in first video you got. Please complete it in your copy. How you have to do? I think you have done all question answer from PDF file. So from PDF you have done. So first question, first, second, fourth and fifth you have done. After that, after the question number fifth, you can write the answer number third also. Okay, and please read your chapter as well as in first chapter. Please draw all diagrams, whatever given important diagrams. If any diagram related to question answer, that also you have to draw. One diagram already given in question answer, but some more diagrams given in your chapter, that also you have to see for exam. Okay. Now today I want to start the second chapter, and from your syllabus, according to your syllabus, the second chapter is chapter 8. Okay, you got your syllabus and seen also. So the second chapter is chapter 8, sound and noise. Now in this chapter we will study about the sound, types of sound. Okay, that is the pleasant sound, unpleasant sound. So first you listen, children. Energy. What is energy? And here, what is sound? Okay. In your surrounding where you are living, so from morning to night means in our life every day and always we are listening to different type of sounds. Some are very pleasant, you are feeling very comfortable after listening. Some unpleasant, maybe uncomfort for you, maybe you feel headache as well as you are feeling irritation. Means maybe the shaping of bird, that is very sweet, as well as when you listening the or maybe music or anything. So that time also you are feeling very pleasant. So means what? Means in our surrounding different type of sounds are there. Especially when we are speaking, then also, and in our surrounding we are listening different type of sound. How we are listening? What is sound? So listen, here I have written, sound is the form of energy and is produced due to vibration. Sound is a form of energy. Energy is the capacity to do work. What is energy? Energy is the capacity to do work. So sound is also a type of energy. Sound is also a type of energy. To do means how we are listening. Okay. So sound is the form of energy and is produced due to vibration. What is vibration? Vibration means, I giving one example. If you are generally you are playing at your home and you are taking a rubber band and stretching. So if you are stretching, if you are giving force in center, so what you will see there is a up and down movement. Okay, up and down movement in the thread. Suppose here one point and one point is here, and you are taking a thread or maybe any rubber band, and that is in stretched form. If you will touch, you will give pressure on this point. So what you will get here on this point, if you will pressurize, so there will be up and down, or maybe to and fro motion will be there. Okay, to and fro motion will be there. So that is known as the vibration. Vibration means what? The vibration, the rapid to and fro motion is known as vibration. Rapid to and fro motion is known as vibration. Clear? So vibration, how we are listening, how there is a production of sound by the vibration. When in any material, any substance, there is a vibration. In air also, when any particles there and different particles are moving here and there, and in between the particles also move. Particles also showing the rapid to and fro motion. So there also the production of sound. Means what? Anywhere if there is a sound, means there is a vibration in the material, vibration in the molecules, vibration in the atoms, or vibration in the any type of substances, then there is a production of sound. Okay. Now here, sound can produced by different means, by different ways also, and in your book also given, you can see there. First one, by the plucking. By plucking, like sitar, veena, all these sitar and veena both are the musical instrument, and it's very common, and you have seen also. In sitar and veena, children, what you very fine strings are there. If you will touch on that, so what you will feel, there is a vibration. So why? when there is a vibration in the strings, so that you can listen a pleasant music, pleasant sound from the veena and sitar. By which process? By the process of plucking. Second process, by bowing or rubbing. If you are rubbing on any material, suppose on this material also, maybe vibration is very slow, but slow or fast, that is not matter. Anywhere, if you are rubbing the surface, on the surface, or rubbing two materials on each other, or rubbing on any tough surface, rough surface, or anywhere, so from rubbing also there is a sound. Okay, sound can produce from rubbing also. Next thing is blowing. Blowing means, if you blowing, suppose a very common example, flute. What you are doing in flute, you are blowing. When you blowing in flute, so flute is a very long pipe-like structure, and in between there is a hollow space. When you blowing, so air coming from your mouth, that passes through the pipe. Okay, when the air passes through your through the pipe, so in between the air and pipe there is a vibration. In air particles there is also vibration. So by this vibration you are able to listen the sound. Okay, next is striking. Striking, beating. When you strike on any material, like example dholak, tabla. Okay, so drum on these surface that is made by the maybe dead skin. Okay, rough skin. When you are beating, when you are striking on that, by that process also there is a production of sound. Means sound can produce after the bowing, after the blowing, or maybe by striking, maybe by, so these are the methods. From there, by that only there is a production of sound. Okay, now listen about the next topic. Next topic, kind of sound. Sounds are of two types. One is pleasant sound, another is unpleasant sound. A very common, children, listen. Pleasant sound. What is the meaning of pleasant sound? Pleasant sound means sound which are very pleasant to our ears, which are very sweet to our ears when we are listening music. Okay, so what you are feeling? You are feeling very comfortable, very that can give you pleasure. So that type of music, that type of sound, when means when we are listening, we are feeling very comfortable. Okay, so that type of sound is known as the pleasant sound. Next, just opposite, unpleasant sound. If you are listening any type of sound and you feeling irritation, uncomfortable, headache, maybe any type of you can't survive. So this type of feelings, if you are suffering by this type of feelings, means that type of sounds are the unpleasant sound. Pleasant sound means any type of music in very slow verse. So that is very pleasant, which you listening and feeling pleasant. So that is pleasant sound. And the sound from aircraft, sound from aeroplane, when aeroplane is going near you. So that time also you feeling very irritation. If you are in traffic, so there also. So these all are the irritable sounds. Okay, which we cannot listen properly, as well as that can feel, means we can feel very uncomfortable in that situation. So sound which can create noise for us, which can create unpleasant, okay, things for us. So that is a different type of sound. That is another type of sound, that is unpleasant sound. Okay, next one more type of sound, that is the warning sound. Warning sound means what? That sound warn us. Warn us means, suppose we are in the very normal position, and if you are listening the ambulance. Okay, so ambulance as well as the fire alarm, all these are the warning sounds, because these type of sounds can warn us. Okay, so now today for this today this much only, and you have to read your book till this topic, and tomorrow I will explain you about the next topic. Okay, about the difference between the sound and noise, as well as what is the noise pollution. Okay children, so for today this much only. Bye everyone.